Lifting trash cans into garbage bins can be a dangerous proposition. A worker can potentially injure themselves attempting to lift heavy trash cans and drums. One person with a fork truck can safely and easily dump drums or trash cans into a hopper with a battery-powered trash can dumper container. It has a DC-powered operation with an onboard battery charger. The raise time is 10 seconds and lower time is 8 seconds. The uniform capacity of the dumper is 400 pounds. Dump height is approximately 56 inches. The 2 cubic yard Vestil D-style hopper is available separately to collect trash. The hopper capacity is 2,000 pounds. There are custom configurations that can be made for most trash containers. Use this device to dump 55-gallon drums. Trash cans can also work with this device. Place a D200 series hopper on top of the T-hop. Make sure that the fork tubes of the hopper seat properly on top of the fork tubes of the T-hop. Load the drum onto the base plate of the chute. The drum should rest against the back of the chute. Apply the drum retainer to prevent the drum from sliding out of the chute. Move the retainers up or down the rails as necessary and into solid contact with the rim of the drum. Dump the drum by pressing the white button on the pendant control. The piston extends and raises the bottom end of the chute. The piston extends only while the white button is pressed. When the button is released, the chute stops moving. The chute maintains whatever position it is in when the button is released. If the net weight of the drum and its contents exceeds the capacity of the dumper, a relief valve in the hydraulic system will open. The piston cannot extend while the relief valve is open, i.e., the chute will not move. Press the lower button on the controller to retract the piston and return the chute to the loading position. As the piston retracts, it pulls down the bottom end of the chute towards the ground. If the down button is released before the chute is completely lowered, the chute will maintain its position. Stop lifting and pulling trash cans, and use a battery-powered trash can dumper container.